Good morning, Trek team. We're back in my house. I wanted to show you slope in two parts. It's not difficult, but there's a lot to it. So I wanted you to see my open staircase. Some of you probably have one at home. If I put my yardstick like a line on there, you can see very easily that I have a rise over a run, a rise over a run, a rise over a run. It repeats itself. Even if I put it on the bottom, you would get your rise over the run. So let me show you what it would look like on a graph. What happens if it's on this graph? And I've already drawn a line for you on the graph. And notice I have some points, and I connected the points to make a line. Now let's see if we can find the slope. Remember, it's rise over run. It really works nicely is if you put these little stairs, little steps right below. So here I have rising 2 and run over 1, 2, 3 to this point. This rose 2, and didn't I run over 3? Yes, I did. 1, 2, 3. So it's in the perfect order for you. You have the rise on top, 2 over 3. Rise over run. And the way I remember that is I want the rise to be on top so that I can sail away. Well, I already measured my steps last night. And I know that the rise, this rise here, is 8, but the run is 10. So what is that going to look like? If I have a rise of 8, remember rise goes on the top, rise of 8, and a run of 10, I can reduce that to 4/5. That's my slope. The problem is, if you had the 10 on the top, you cannot reduce it like an improper fraction. Now, what happens in Niagara Falls when they have these steep hills, but it's easy to climb? I'll tell you why. It's because the rise is shorter than the run. So if I had a rise of 1, but then a run of 8, a rise of 1, a run of 8, a rise of 1, a run of 8, that would be very easy to climb. That slope is 8 over 1, rise over run. What if it was reversed? What if I said, let's rise 8, run 1. Let's rise 8, run 1. Rise 8, run 1. So this is rise over run. 8 over 1 would be the slope. Rise over run. That would be an awful hard staircase to walk up. And that's why people don't do that. So here we go. I've got another challenge for you. Why don't you go measure your stairs? Find out the slope of your stairs. And I'm a little disappointed I haven't heard from anybody, any emails doing the first 2 challenges, but I've got a third one. My third challenge is I need you to go and measure 2 different stairs in Lockport. Stairs that people would all use. Can't just use your house because everybody couldn't go and check it out if you did it right or not. So number 1, choose 2 places. Choose a steep stair and not so steep stair. You need to email me both locations. I want both of the slopes, and then I want you to tell me which one is the steepest. So here you go, another 5-point challenge. I hope you're watching my videos. I hope you're having a great summer. And you know what? The next time, I'll give you a hint. We're going to go to the library.